Hey guys, my name is Jonas and I'm the GermanCarDude. In today's video, I'm gonna drive this 2010 Audi A5 on the German Autobahn, testing out its top speed and acceleration. This particular model is equipped with a 1.8 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder gas engine with 160 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. Or, for my friends with the wrong kinds of measurements, it has 185 pound-feet of torque. Now I'm gonna get on the Autobahn and see how fast this thing can go. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video to see its top speed. This Audi A5 is the convertible model. That means it has a retractable soft top roof that can be lowered by holding a button at up to 50 km per hour. Or, if you like it weird, that would be around 31 miles per hour. Let's skip this part. This car's main focus is clearly not high speed, as pushing the pedals at higher than 100 km per hour barely does anything. What follows now is an attempt at a 100 to 200 run. Will it make it fast enough? At 34 seconds, this car is slow. For just 160 horsepower and the massive weight of this car, this is still acceptable. My shifts weren't that good either. Also, because it's the convertible with the roof mechanic, this is one of the heaviest Audi A5s you can get. This exact model is stated to weigh around 1,720 kilograms. Now, let's park this car for a second to adjust camera angles and check my recordings. You have to admit, for a car with not that much power, this thing sounds pretty good. And now, let's check if a top speed run is possible. So 216 kilometers per hour is the fastest I could make this car go. Audi says this car should do around 210 to 226 kilometers per hour, so my 216 is around the middle of that. Quite good for a 13-year-old car. If you have made it this far, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.